Summer storms don't just bring heavy rain, they bring wind-driven moisture that can force water into places front doors were never meant to handle. Unlike gentle rainfall, summer storms push water sideways and upward, sneaking it into seams, panel joints, and along the bottom edge of the door. Even doors that appear sealed can allow moisture in when the finish has been weakened by heat and UV exposure, setting the stage for hidden damage. The earliest signs of water damage are often subtle and easy to miss. Slight swelling, a door that suddenly sticks, soft spots near the bottom rail, or small bubbles under the finish can all indicate moisture intrusion. Discoloration along seams or edges may appear after storms, then seem to dry out, misleading homeowners into thinking the problem has resolved. In reality, moisture can remain trapped beneath the surface, slowly breaking down wood fibers, adhesives, and protective coatings. Over time, repeated storm exposure accelerates deterioration. Trapped moisture expands and contracts with temperature changes, causing cracking, peeling, and separation in the finish. The bottom of the door is usually hit hardest, as water pools there and dries more slowly. By the time visible rot or severe peeling appears, the damage has often progressed deep into the door. Catching these early warning signs and addressing them with proper refinishing and sealing is critical to preventing summer storm damage from turning a repairable door into one that needs full replacement. Door Renew can provide proper refinishing. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.